Convicted sex offenders are allowed back on social media here in North Carolina. Just today, the U.S. Supreme Court overturned a North Carolina law that bans sex offenders from the sites.
Yeah, the reasoning was that it infringed upon their First Amendment right to freedom of speech. NBC Charlotte's Rachel Brown following this story. Rachel, you spoke with a family directly impacted by this?
I did. I spoke with the grandparents of a girl named Abigail. She was kidnapped by this registered sex offender, Timothy Newman, after the two met on Facebook.
She was a 12-year-old little girl.
Wiping the tears from her eyes, it's still hard for Renita Lefevers to talk about.
He had raped her on more than one occasion.
In 2012, their granddaughter Abigail was kidnapped and raped for 2 long weeks before police were able to track her down. She was 12 years old.
She had been contacted through the media, social media, at Facebook.
Contacted by this guy, Timothy Newman, who had a history of sex convictions. He's now serving a 48-year sentence. But these grandparents say their fight is far from over. After learning Monday the U.S. Supreme Court overturned the North Carolina law banning sex offenders from social media.
If you're convicted of crimes, you're not allowed to own a gun. You're not allowed to vote. But a convicted, registered sex offender can go on Facebook and solicit.
The court saying in part to foreclose access to social media altogether is to prevent the user from engaging in the legitimate exercise of First Amendment rights. But Renita and Michael believe allowing these felons access will put children across the state in danger.
Other children's lives are in jeopardy.
Now 17, Abigail made it home alive, but life as she knew it forever changed.
And she'd be scarred the rest of her life.
She'll never be the same. Her childhood was taken.
Now, Renita says she doesn't know if she can make a difference at this point, but she is going to be writing a letter to her congressman. She said she'll do anything to keep kids safe online. Reporting live in Charlotte tonight, Rachel Brown, NBC Charlotte.